Here's the tarot energies for the week of October 5th. Aries. I feel like public and professional recognition is important to you right now, so are your ambitions. You've come such a long way, Aries. It's almost like, you found a greater degree of acceptance of who you really are. You are unearthing all the layers, that does not resonate with you and tapping into the core essence of the person that lies beneath. Everything right now should be focused on personal development. Any activities or distractions that are counterproductive to your spiritual growth or just your passion should be, kept aside right now. No matter what life throws at you, Aries, you have the belief that the universe is looking out for you. You are connected to the universe, and you found this fierce energy running through you. It's an excellent time, for renewed aspirations, for tapping into your sense of self-confidence. Some of you in careers like marketing, public relations, blogging, publishing, social media, stand-up comedy, anything to do with the public arena will do excellent. Don't shy away. It's your time to, come into your own, come into the light, shine your light everywhere. Take chances on projects this week. If there's anything, you might have to be a little patient before you can see the final success, but nothing stops you around this time. In summary, shine your passions, patience precedes success, and becoming who you truly are. Have a fantastic week. Taurus. It's all about friends, colleagues, networks, groups of people coming together, making a new beginning, working in tandem, helping each other. It's an excellent week for, shared passions, associations, shared visions that are highlighted. It also indicates that it's a great time to safely move towards your plans and ideas. That's the ace of earth for you, which means new beginnings at work, an extremely enjoyable time, an extremely healthy mix of work and play. You are the creator, Taurus. So all the seeds that you planted in the past will now start materializing. You will reap the rewards. You will see the benefits, whether it's comfort, abundance, whether it's a good family life, it's parenting, children, working on new projects, raise, promotions, just appreciation at the workplace. Everything looks, very bright, and it looks like there is protection around you. You are ready to give birth to some new ideas. They may not necessarily be new projects, but a new way of doing something old at your workplace. I also think you should start nurturing yourself a little bit and infuse your soul with love and compassion. The love and compassion you so hold for your near and dear ones. Give that to yourself a little bit. Soon others will also start, looking at you as an inspiration, as an example. Just one thing, this is not a week to be pushy or dominating with team members. It's about peaceful collaborations. It's about working, in tandem with everybody, getting along with everybody. Don't be pushy, don't be inconsiderate. Look at the needs of all involved and just win the love and affection of your colleagues, of your tribe, of your loved ones, of people around you. In summary, creativity and growth, work friendships flourish, and wish fulfillment. Anything you want this week is coming to fruition. Gemini. There is an energy of stagnation this week, Gemini. It's almost, as if you've hung on to someone or something, some situation, long after its expiry date, long after its sell-by date. It's probably time to let go, and you're maybe feeling like the shine has gone off on all the things that once brought you happiness. You're looking at new avenues, for joy, for contentment. You just don't feel the same anymore about certain things that brought you joy in the past, and that's okay. When it comes to business and partnership, don't be very trusting. Look at everyone's intentions carefully. Observe people and their behaviors. If something or someone looks too good to be true, it usually is. So any sneaky behavior or anything that you sense is not adding up, just Don't be afraid to call people out on it. Don't be that trustworthy. Just save some of it for yourself. Any of your plans, or anything that you're thinking of putting into action, don't reveal it all this time around. Uh, Also, you can trust seniors and colleagues at work, but be very strategic. Like I said, don't put everything on the table. Hold your cards to yourself a little bit. You can apply the 80-20 rule, this week, which means 20% of your work should account for 80% of the success. So plan very smartly and don't get caught up in the loop of hard work. Get into the loop of smart work instead, which is going to benefit you this week, Gemini. You don't have to say yes to all responsibilities that are going to be trusted upon you. The way to proceed right now is find something to do, be busy, smart preparation, and focus on tasks at hand while safeguarding your interests. In summary, strategize for stability, take credit for your work, and don't let anyone, sort of snatch away what's rightfully yours. And maybe shake off this little feeling of stagnation, apathy, boredom, and look for things where you find joy and meaning. Have a fantastic one, Cancer. I feel like you can shout your successes, from the rooftop right now. You've done well for yourself. You've come a long way. And the people who matter to you will be your cheerleaders. They will, cheer for you also. Be open to receiving love and support from people around you. They will be energized and happy for you. Do not let fear or guilt stand in the way, Cancer. Have faith in what you've achieved and how others will receive it. It's okay to be proud, this week, and especially if you're in a leadership role, make sure you determine your authority and you sort of show it at work, not in an arrogant way, but mark your territory as someone who knows what they're doing. It's all about how you carry yourself this week and how people and colleagues, your bosses, people around you, your clients look at you. So, you have this energy of admiration this week. I feel like people are going to look up to you. So make use of these, opportunities and leverage them the best way you can. You have this charm and wit and this aura surrounding you. And, every time you want to display it, you're really good at doing that. So don't shy away this week from that. Um, I also feel like short-term work-related travel can come your way. I know with the given situation there could be some limitations, but there's nothing that you can't take on this trip. If it's something short and it has to be done, you can go ahead. Um, just make sure to keep your stamina in check this week, because there is going to be quite a bit of activity on the work front. Like I said, people are looking up to you, which means they're going to expect things from you. There are responsibilities to fulfill. So just take care of your body a little bit. Try to have lots of water, rest if you can, and the week looks quite successful and quite busy. In summary, victory is yours for the taking. Stay grounded while also being proud of your achievements, so you don't come across as bossy and arrogant, and just be the fearless leader of your own life. Have a fantastic one. Leo. Some of you may be the breadwinner, of your family, or the sole provider of your family. The energies represent, how much you've been doing for your family, and, meeting the necessary demands. And you love giving to people around you. You love making sure that everyone can enjoy the wealth and abundance that you bring in. If you don't feel that way, you are called to, uh, be the protector, look out for people around you, and bring in material gains to them as well. I also feel you might be required to pitch in to a family business if you have one, or help someone in the family towards their work goals. Leo, I also think it's all about tradition and heritage and a lineage that goes behind you, which means you have ancestral protection, or if there's some legacy in your family, or something that dates really back, and it involves some property or land or paperwork, you're being asked to look into that as well. This might not resonate with everyone because these are readings for the collective. So just take what's striking to you right now. I feel like you're going to be a part of something bigger, like a bigger picture, and and that's what you should focus on. I see a lot of blessings from people, a lot of family blessings right now, which is also helping your relationships with your bosses and colleagues at work. Something or some sort of energy is looking out for you and flowing through you right now, Leo. I also think you have a lot of hypersexual energy going on right now. You're being advised to channel all of that and put it creatively into work, maybe a passion project, maybe a hobby, anything to do with arts or creativity. If you're feeling like a power struggle with colleagues at work, for some of you, you might be feeling that. While the energies are great because you have ancestral protection, the universe is flowing through you, but if you're still not able to connect with that protection energy and you're feeling like this, little, like this little fighting and a little antsy sort of energy, then you're being advised to balance your own chakras. How you can do that? It's, this chakra balancing that's needed will come with dancing, lower abdomen healing, hip exercises, movement, maybe a little bit of yoga. It's a great week all in all. Everything eventually comes together. In summary, there is protection and security. Family legacy and wealth is yours, and there is a lot of creativity and sexual energy which can be channeled the right way. Have a fantastic one. Virgo, you have the green light to move ahead on plans, and it's like a new endeavor is around the corner. You can go forth, with all of these possibilities. Keep your eye open for some new opportunities because they could spring out of nowhere and help you manifest your dreams and realize, your true potential. The energy heralds a sense of prosperity, abundance, financial needs being taken care of, cash inflow, and, just generally a right time. Welcome this new energy, this new beginning, but know that it's not a free ride. As with any new beginning, as with any project, the answer lies in planning and execution. So what you do with these opportunities is what's going to define prosperity and success for you. I also feel, Virgo, you should now combine all your gifts and talents and take things forward. These things have usually a ripple effect, which means that, while you combine your talents and you start putting them into action, you help others and push them also forward to sort of realize their untapped potential. And this has a ripple effect which has like far reaching consequences. So it eventually becomes like, this chain of people motivating each other to bring out the best in each other and eventually put out great work out there. For those of you in fields of education, nutrition, healthcare, buying or leasing properties, land, organic foods, if you have anything related to teaching, parenting children in your career chart or career field, it's going to be a fantastic time for all of these professions. So make the most of the energy. In summary, start executing plans. If you come across new beginnings, do research and put things into motion. Share your knowledge with people to create like this, bunch of talent so everyone benefits. And say yes to life. Say yes to opportunities you never thought of before. It's a very right time. Have a fantastic one. Libra, I feel like things have sort of not worked out for you the way you've imagined or hoped the past few weeks or the past couple of months. And instead of moving on, you are sort of wallowing in self-pity a little bit. You are not trying to let it go. You're playing like the victim of your life, and that's not serving you or doing any good to anybody. The could have and the should have should be let gone of right now. Only then will new opportunities make space or arrive in your life. The negative emotions that you're holding are, sort of holding you back. It's the card of renewal. Cut your losses, let go of the mistakes, let go of people that have not done right by you, and just start moving on. Look at renewal, look at assessing the facts favorably. time to move in a new direction. Forget, the career moves that have not worked in your favor, because sometimes you keep, obsessing about what you could have done differently in your professional journey. That's not doing good to you right now. There is so much untapped potential. If only you can shake off this feeling of despair, of sadness, and just gather all the resources that you already have and put, a stable plan and action, you can continue and you can achieve. If there is something that's bothering you relating, to a work project or a confrontation that is needed with someone at work, a business partner, maybe, a project, someone working on a project, some collaboration that's not working your way, don't suffer in silence. Pick up the phone, reach out to them, share what you're feeling. You don't need to hold things inside right now. Get it off your chest so you are at peace. You deserve all the peace right now. Beautiful Libras, don't let issues become larger than life and bigger than what they are. It's just your perception. It's time to, gather all the broken pieces and release them once and for all, and move on to, better times, because they are coming. In summary, release the pessimism, let go of this self-fulfilling prophecy. You don't have to suffer in silence. You can confront and share your feelings with people, and, just build a bridge and get over it. Get over everything that's holding you back and self-limiting beliefs. Have a fantastic one. Scorpio. Patience and planning is what you need right now, which is going to help you push your plans forward. Success is only a short distance away, but you've been seeing glimpses and signs of it for a while now. You're finally going to see, the final outcome of it, but you need to be very, smart and careful about, how you plan things. I feel like you aren't seeing the truth of situations for what they are. Sometimes you've put blinders on. You need to get those off, and you need to get those blinders off and see potential risks, threats, and, plan sort of alternate options that you aren't considering. Maybe, critical pieces of information that you're missing out on right now. Finances are flowing well for you, Scorpio. I mean, there is good amount of balance in your life. You have, made peace with a lot of, situations that may have fallen apart in the past. You don't have a lot of money right now, but there is abundance and there is more than enough to get by, which is good news. You have probably been waiting for that big, full-on success. It is going to come, but before that, you just have to, sort of see the missing pieces of the puzzle and complete those, so you can reap the full rewards going forward. It's a good time for trial and error assessment and, seeking outside options, taking feedback before you can press the accelerator in full speed. Just ask yourself what is missing and you will get the answer. In summary, get all the information, do the research and planning before you make important decisions. There could be a little indecision that needs to be shaken off, or a little impasse on an important matter. Get to it quickly. Don't keep lingering on that, indecision. Make quick choices after all the planning is done. And the effort that you put in right now will pay off at a later date. So keep putting in the hard work, and you're going to see, the light at the end of the tunnel. Have a fantastic one. Sagittarius. You thrive on all things beautiful, Sagittarius, and you are inspired by the many creative outlets available to you. I feel like you're going to be drawn to some passion, hobby, something that you've been trying your hand at for a while. This is the time to make something out of it, to make something meaningful out of it, to solidify it, in the true sense of the term. While you're not in a really big hurry to, reach the finish line, but know that true imagination feeds on action. So an approach which is not flaky, and where you, put in effort and start, just all you have to do is start, and all the pieces then come together. So it's important to take on that passion or that project or something that you've been, shoving aside, or you've been trying your hand at, or you've been wanting to, bring to ground reality and sort of kickstart. That's something that can be considered at this time. New beginnings, ideas, revelations, awakenings all come to you right now. Creative endeavors, positivity, new growth, accomplishments all look very likely, Sagittarius. So it's a wonderful time to let your soul soar and enjoy these moments of bounty, of success, of just renewed enthusiasm. A romantic partner, a business partner, a spouse, a colleague, a friend, all bring in the support that you need. You can ask others for help, and your army of people will be ready to support you. You have a lot of compassion and understanding from your tribe at this time, and a lot of somebody pushing you forward to pursue your dreams as well. In summary, follow your heart, ignite all the passions that have been nudging you, and give them meaning, and leap from imagination to reality and make things and make dreams come true. Have a fantastic one. Capricorn. I feel like partnerships, associations, collaborations are on the cards. You may not have the same skill sets as the people you're partnering with, but that's the whole point. For example, if you're great at sales and marketing, you should partner with someone with opposite skills of, say, operations and maybe another skill set to complement yours. These are going to be very healthy and very fruitful and will work in your favor. With careful and diligent planning, money making ideas really come to fruition now. And it doesn't have to be related to even your career or your profession field. If it's a smart idea, if it's something you think can bring in cash or bring in that extra income on the side, you should go for it, Capricorn. Expect the best and envision success, that job, that partnership, the deal, the contract. Envision things going your way, and you are bound to attract it. You have this power to sort of manifest, this time around. You have the power to visualize. You have to see it, feel it, believe it, and only then will it come into action in your this present reality. And I think you have the power to tap into those energies of seeing it and believing it. Wealth is coming your way and nothing can stop that. I feel like the last few weeks have been all about stability, wealth, security for you, and the energies continue on. Look, the stars are there, things are aligned. It's what you do now to make the best of these moments. Always keep your vibration high. Don't let negativity stop you, because the time is really beneficial for you right now. In summary, peaceful associations with partners. There are people around who are going to help you. All those money making ideas, even if they are not exactly about your career or profession, all of those are valid. You can go and pursue them, and visualizing and believing in achievement and knowing that victory is yours. Have a fantastic one. Aquarius. This is a time of giving more than receiving. So anything where you can add value, maybe to your clients, maybe to people around you, you can add positivity to someone's life. All of those avenues will serve you well. Professions ranging from life coaching to, NGO, social work, to probably environmentalism, women empowerment, supporting those that need your support and help right now. Anything to do with charity, anything to do with uplifting society. All of these professions are going to go excellent right now. You are at the end of a period in your life, in your professional life, and you are looking for newer avenues. Anything that keeps you in touch with your loving energy, anything that makes you believe that you are making meaningful contribution, go for only those projects. There might be others that could lure you with a better designation or salary, but you have to go for what makes you sing with joy, what resonates with your soul purpose. Those are the options to take this time around, Aquarius. Perhaps you need to narrow your focus down a little bit, because there are too many options. Choose one that aligns completely with your soul. In summary, innovations and ideas surround you. It's a time of giving and sharing of yourself, of your gifts, of your talents, of adding a moment of sunshine to someone else's gray clouds. adding value, adding meaning to people, colleagues, workplaces, projects, and choosing the optimum option which aligns with your soul. Have a fantastic one. Pisces. Be laser focused with your determination and your plans this week. Don't be scattered and all over the place. Have a single minded focus. What is that one goal that you want to achieve right now? Focus all your energies there. Have, like single minded concentration, and instead of thinking of devoting little time to say 5 or 6 tasks, pick one task and put in all your energies there. This is going to be a very productive experience for you and you will see results immediately. There are going to be some communication issues or some negotiations, a lot of talking and sort of trying to agree on ideas with colleagues or with business partners. Make sure you don't fall into any hostilities and keep things very clean. Put your ideas out there, no one's stopping you from that, but just make sure that everyone wins and everyone is heard. Make sure your opponent or your partner or the person you're dealing with is also getting a chance to be equally heard. For some of you, I feel working independent and solo is better right now. So if you can grab those opportunities, great. Sometimes at a workplace you have people, teams and colleagues around you, you cannot avoid it. Just choose your battles wisely and maintain peace with everyone going forward. Don't try and prove a point just for the heck of it. Know your limitations and be wise. You rather play on your strengths this week and get the best there is in a situation for you. In summary, single-minded determination will do good. Take space or retreat from battles. If don't get into this war of words. If someone is saying something, you take the silent route. Compromise on situations a little bit if you have to, and just surrender and know that things are going to fall in place. Just be vigilant on your dealings and interactions with people around you this week. Have a fantastic one.